To have a store reopen is important because, as you know, it's been closed for a couple of months. Now, basically, to have one store here and one store in San Siro will be perfect for the fans globally who come to Milan. As you know, Milan is always a lifestyle city, international city, fashion, food, and so on. To have a store in the middle, I think is a great location. And I will see the space is much bigger than before. Yeah, I think I will be appreciative. Oh, and also, fans can also buy tickets over here, which is good.
Can you update us, please, on the negotiation with Suning? Because also Zhang Jindong yesterday spoke and opened to Inter and to Europe.
Well, it's good to have a strategic partner, but I always, if you remember, my partnership with Mr. Moratti also take 8-9 months in the process, because it's important when we become partner what we can build together for Inter. I think this is the same story, that finding a good strategic partner is important. As I always believe, sorry to say this, that football is growing in Asia and US. But of course, the main industry is still in Europe. But the number of fans growing in Asia and in US. So it's good to have a strategic partner in part of the world. I mean, not only in China, but also there is a partner also we have in Japan and in some of other countries. But of course, importing strategic partners to look to build Inter bigger and bigger.
What can you say about this moment of the negotiation? Is it a positive moment after also the trip in China?
Well, I wouldn't say anything done until it's signed. The same thing when some of you asking me about which player will be signed. I don't know, not until we sign. But it seems some good player is coming.
Is the Champions League the most important goal for the next season?
Well, I think not only next season, actually this season. we miss. But again, like I mentioned, it's not a perfect situation. But if you look at the condition of our team is growing from number 8 to number 4. Champions League will be perfect, but still a very good season. And then we believe in Mancini. I think he's done a good job. If you look at our difference point from last season to this season is quite big numbers. But to get a points more than 70 points, I think this is what important if you want to be consistent in Champions League. 70 points, 73 points, that's the average we have to target in every season. So I think Champions League is important. We want to go back. This is what actually the management has been built, not only on the commercial, also on the sporting side. We have to go back.
Are you planning to meet Mancini this weekend?
I don't think so, because he's coming from holiday Monday, but I might see him on June, when I go back on June.
You met Ozilio and Gardini yesterday. Can you say something about the strategy to make Mancini happy? Because it's clear what he told us some time ago.
No, basically, every time I come here, I'm not only meeting with the sporting side and also on the commercial side. Yes, we have a deep discussion regarding our roster. We want to sure that our roster compete not only in Italy, also in Europe next season. But also is not possible if we are not respecting the financial fair play. Because if we not respect the financial fair play, the problem that what happened in other club like Galatasaray, we don't want to be in that situation. We build the team, but we're not respecting financial fair play. But if you look at our core players, I think we have a good core players to start to build. And then I'm pretty sure with the strategy of, we believe, between the management and the sporting side, we want to achieve our target too. And this isn't a miss a bit.
Mancini would like to have Yaya Touré next season, and you?
I mean, for me, the players who come for Inter is the one who understand the jersey, who respect the color. I mean, we bring it many players since December 2013. January 2013. Players come and go because many of them, I believe, again, this is my personal, wearing Inter jersey is not easy. This is why actually I said to the legend, I will thank you to them because they bring the history of the club. You know, this is what they have to share with our players at this moment.
But about the players, what is the future of Handanovic, Brozovic and Murillo?
Well, I mean, they are important for the team. Icardi, Handanovic, Brozovic, Murillo, Medel, Kondogbia, Perisic, Eder. You know, this is a key important. I don't think from that 11 starting, we're gonna change 8 of them. But to change 1 or 2 is possible. We don't know. You know, but the core is there. We have to protect the core.
So
okay?
if you want to get 1 or 2 more players, you have to sell 1 or 2 players?
Well, in reality, of financial fair play, yes. Yeah, because on the financial fair play, we have to respect the buy and sell. We have to respect the salary number, right? Doesn't mean we are down to number 10 salary. We will be still the top 3, the top 4 team who's spending money in Italy. I mean, you are Inter, but you have to respect that one. But doesn't mean we have to lose the core players.
So even Suning entering wouldn't change anything for the financial fair play?
It's not done yet. So.